Greek and Simple Summer Season. From spring to summer, from New Jersey to Greece. Greece is our favorite summer destination. Every year, we spend as much time there as we can, always counting down the days until our next visit. This year we kicked off our summer with a beautiful trip to Chalkidiki, and it couldn't have been more perfect. This is the gorgeous Sarti. Sarti is a laid-back village known for its beachfront promenade around a rocky bay, where bars and tavernas fill up in summer. Steep streets lead to the older part of the town with whitewashed houses and stores. Of course, I couldn't resist bringing a bit of my kitchen with me, including one of my favorite summer recipes. Strawberry yogurt popsicles dipped in chocolate. Simple, refreshing, and so delicious. Here's how I make them. I start with fresh, fragrant strawberries. I whole wash and blend them until smooth. Then I mix a creamy Greek yogurt, a splash of vanilla extract, and a couple of spoons of honey if I want them a bit sweeter. I pour the mixture into popsicles molds and freeze them for at least 6 hours or overnight. Once frozen, I melt semi-sweet chocolate chips with a spoonful of coconut oil, then dip each popsicle into a silky chocolate. A few more minutes in the freezer to set, and they are ready to enjoy. It smells amazing, looks beautiful, and tastes even better. You have to try it. That's it! You can find all the details of this recipe at greekandsimple.com. I could eat them all myself, but thankfully they're always a hit with everyone. Did you know that there is a museum in Belgium just for strawberries? If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and help my channel to grow. That way I'll keep making better videos for you. And stay tuned, every week I'll be sharing new Greek and not only recipes. You won't want to miss it.